Hello, welcome back to Coin Highlight. In the vast landscape of cryptocurrencies, several contenders vie for supremacy, each with unique attributes and claims to fame. Among them stands Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform that promises scalability, security, and decentralization. This piece explores the journey of Solana from its inception to its present-day position in the cryptosphere. Origins and founding principles. Solana's story begins with its founder, Anatoly Yakovenko. With previous experience at Qualcomm and Dropbox, Yakovenko harbored a keen interest in creating a blockchain system that addressed the scalability issues faced by many existing platforms. The fundamental challenge he sought to address: how can a decentralized system handle thousands, if not millions, of transactions per second without compromising on security? The breakthrough: proof of history. While Bitcoin and Ethereum use proof of work, and many others use proof of stake or variations thereof, Solana introduced a new consensus mechanism called proof of history, POH. POH works by cryptographically ensuring the order and passage of time between events, creating a historical record that proves that an event has occurred at a specific moment in time. This innovation reduces the need for validators to communicate extensively with each other, thus enhancing the throughput and scalability. Technical features. Beyond POH, Solana boasts several technical innovations. C-level: parallel smart contract runtime that allows for concurrent execution of smart contracts, boosting transaction processing speeds. Turbine: a block propagation protocol that breaks data into smaller packets for easier and faster dissemination to nodes. Gulfstream: caches transaction information, allowing validators to execute transactions ahead of time, streamlining confirmation and block production. Clink: a derivative of the BFT consensus mechanism, improving on its speed and validation process. The SOL token. SOL is Solana's native cryptocurrency. Beyond serving as a medium of exchange, it plays an essential role in staking, where validators are chosen based on the amount of SOL they hold and are willing to lock up as stakes. Staking SOL not only helps secure the network but also earns rewards for the stakeholders. Ecosystem and Dapps. Solana's high throughput and low fees have made it an attractive platform for decentralized applications, DApps, and crypto projects. Famous projects on Solana: Serum, a decentralized exchange that offers order book-based trading. Mango Markets, a decentralized leveraged trading platform. Radium, an automated market maker and liquidity provider. These DApps showcase Solana's capacity to handle complex operations at scale. Partnerships and collaborations. Solana's success is also due to its collaborations and integrations. It has partnered with several projects and platforms such as Chainlink, USDC, and the Metaplex Foundation. These partnerships have expanded Solana's reach, capabilities, and interoperability with other systems. Challenges and criticisms. No journey is without challenges. Solana has faced criticisms. Centralization concerns. Some argue that Solana's reliance on a smaller number of high-performance nodes could lead to centralization. Network outages. Solana has experienced network stoppages, leading to concerns about its robustness. However, the team behind Solana has been proactive in addressing these issues and ensuring continuous improvements. Community and adoption. Solana's community plays a vital role in its growth. With numerous developers, enthusiasts, and stakeholders, the Solana community has driven adoption, contributed to its codebase, and fostered a collaborative ecosystem. Major businesses and crypto platforms have also begun to adopt Solana, seeing its potential to revolutionize the way decentralized systems function at scale. The future of Solana. With continuous developments, Solana is set to explore interoperability, working with other blockchains for a seamless crypto experience. Enhanced security. Investments in research to ensure the blockchain remains impregnable. Scalability. As adoption grows, ensuring Solana can handle the increasing load will be paramount. Solana's journey, from its innovative inception to its position today as one of the leading blockchain platforms, underscores the relentless quest for scalability, security, and decentralization in the crypto space. As the cryptosphere continues to evolve, Platforms like Solana that continuously innovate and adapt will undoubtedly shape the future of decentralized technology. If you've journeyed with us through the Solana saga and found value in this deep dive, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more insights like these. And don't forget to like if this video illuminated your crypto understanding. Share the knowledge, spread the word, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation glowing. Until next time, crypto enthusiasts.